Ooh, Edgar, I swear to God, you're about to get your ass socked on my set.
What is up, guys? It's your boy Edgar MZ.
Shut up.
Coming back with another video.
Shut up.
Stop. It's not funny no more.
Now you gotta restart.
If you do it again, I'm gonna put your voice in it. You want that?
The photo I look like, I care.
You want your face in it too?
No. I'll break your camera. Okay, I'll stop.
What is up, guys? It's your boy Edgar MZ coming back with another video, and today...
Are you gonna restart again? Don't worry, I'll give you some good quality Destiny gameplay for your background.
What is up, guys? It's your boy Edgar MZ coming back with another video, and today is gonna be a different kind of video. Do you know what we're gonna do?
We?
But today is gonna be a DIY, do-it-yourself, custom, off-white. So we're pretty much gonna get right into it, and right here, right next to me, I have two. I have this. It looks big in camera, but it's not. If you go watch my Wish designer video, you're gonna see why I'm destroying this. And this, I never wore. I never wear. It's a denim jacket from Paxson, and yeah. But yeah, my idea is to keep this and cut this thing out. But yeah, let's get right into it. Let's start cutting. I'm done cutting this out. I cut around it because I'm not sure if like what I want to do yet, but during that cutting I came to a realization that I paid $20 for this. And now it's garbage. Good job, Edgar. As you can see, I very nicely laid this out.
She's pregnant.
Can you not? I'm recording. Listen up, alright? First, I am going to distress this whole thing right here. And then I'm gonna stitch only the stripes.
Bro, it must be a sniper.
Behind it. So like this is gonna be like a whole hole. But I'm gonna stitch the corners to the jacket.
What up, Lit? What up?
And then
put
this white over here. And yeah, we'll just start cutting and see how it turns out.
Cammy's almost dead, kill him! Cam, this is who killed him? Yeah, that's what I thought.
Completed cutting this out nicely. This looks alright. Maybe give it a wash. Okay guys, so right now I am putting these pins on it, so when I start stitching, they're gonna be in the right place. This is pretty much the idea that I was going for. Not too bad. Just maybe gonna like stitch this up here. Guys, I have completely destroyed this. Like, I had a vision in my head. A vision. You'll see the vision I have? See, the problem is there's not much to stitch here because I cut this too thin. And this is the only thing I could grab onto. And yeah. I'm gonna try to fix this and start stitching. Yeah. Guys, and to present you this mess and the final results of this project, I introduce you to look at this masterpiece. Cinematic.
When I'm with you, I am able to keep pushing my limits and all the drive that I have. Well, I'm going the distance with you.
But yeah, guys, that will be the end of this video. Thank you for stopping by and watching it. It helps a lot, and yeah, hope you liked it. First DIY in this channel, and if y'all like it, comment down below for more, and peace. See you.